Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by locking in the target sector and calibrating your receiver. This reduces noise before you act. Once done, power the sensor to 12V and set sensitivity to 0. 5 so faint signatures register. Start a wide beam sweep at 60 degrees elevation, moving steadily to map gross anomalies. Make sure to log time and coordinates as you sweep. This creates reference points for closer inspection. If you detect a consistent blip, mark that vector and prepare for focus scanning immediately. Now narrow the beam to 10 degrees and increase your gain twofold so you can resolve smaller objects. You want detail rather than breadth. Once narrowed, perform 2 offset passes 30 degrees apart to create a simple triangulation baseline. This tells you depth and relative bearing. While you sweep, apply a noise filter to remove cyclic interference and watch for repeating patterns that indicate structured objects rather than random debris. Once a pattern holds across passes, lock the coordinates and approach the flagged location using low thrust so your relative velocity stays under 0. 5 meters per second. This prevents overshooting small targets. Then run a final spectral scan and compare the signature against your target profile to confirm identity. This explains why you're closing in rather than collecting noise. Once confirmed, use a slow capture or grappling routine. If contact is lost or readings drop, back away 10 meters and repeat the focus scan. That troubleshooting step often restores a stable lock.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.